Oh, sorry. Thanks for telling me that. I was on mute. Sorry, guys. So I was talking about thanks for joining. This is the third session for the live event of GitHub README Profile Review Session. So yeah. I hope you guys can hear me right now. Can I see your yes in the comment box? All right. That was my bad. I was on mute. There was like a no moderator to alert me that. All right. So I just dropped a mail. I hope people will be joining right now because I don't want any people to miss this out because I will be talking about a lot of things for you which will be really beneficial. All right. So let the people join. So how you guys doing? And this is like last 3 days for the contribution. So are you guys excited? Are you guys in the top 50 or top 100? Can I know what's your status on the leaderboard right now? What rank you are on leaderboard? Can I know in the comment box? Write a LinkedIn post. 150, 50. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's not bad. All right. 14. Okay, that's pretty good. So I have reviewed the profile till level 13, I believe. Sorry, rank 13. Maybe I can just quickly have a look and let you guys know about it. Discussion. All right. So I shared you a link over here. So I have reviewed your contributions. Every contribution which I do review, I put it over here. So there is no issues later on when we announce the winner. As the prize money is huge, so I believe like there should not be any conflict at the end of the session. So I just dropped you the link where we do the review. So far I did a review of 13 people on the top of the leaderboard. So maybe tonight I will be doing another 20. As a review process is kind of time consuming, it's a bit difficult. So it doesn't matter whether you are top 50 or top 100 or even top 1000. It's all matters is like most of you guys, the GSOC program would be somewhat like a beginner level thing. All right, just give me a minute. There is one more thing. All right. Okay. Just give me one more minute. I'm just dropping some. All right. So let me share my screen and let's get started. Sorry, guys, I was taking some extra time to share a few things. Okay, there is like a lot of things to share. So I was like, where to start? All right. So I'm sharing my screen. Give me a thumbs up if you can see my screen. So I'm pretty much sure know that okay, the particular screen is sharing or not. So we have the giveaway going on right now. So you can be on the leader. Oh, sorry, giveaway. So I shared you the link over here. So this will get closed in another 24 minutes. It's just like in sake of giving you something, I just put some random links. So yeah, if you have already followed, then it's all right. If you can do the remaining, yeah, we will be selecting the winner based on that. All right. Awesome. So let's get started with the GitHub profile review. So this is like a straightforward process. You just need to enter your email ID, go and do some task. I think you have been doing the same thing for like last couple of sessions. So it's a pretty straightforward task. All right. Now the first thing, how many of you improved your GitHub profile in the last three couple of sessions which we had? Can I see a yes or no? Maybe it can't. It need not be like something very big. It can be something very simple. How many of you try to work on your GitHub profile? Awesome. I can see a lot of comments popping up right now. That's great. So this session is for you guys. So I hope like any small changes through a long period of time, it gives you a proper, amazing GitHub profile. Again, having a just to underline the concept here, having a GitHub profile is not really recommended, but people do see that. It's basically like another LinkedIn page or a kind of personal branding space in the coder community. All right. So saying that, don't just make a thing that okay, this is very important. You gotta do it. No, you do. It's not something like a mandatory thing. And it's like a, again, as I mentioned, you, it's like a personal branding thing. It's up to you if you would like to showcase your skills and career to people who come to your profile. Then this space is like really beneficial. All right. So getting started, I would like you guys to share some of your GitHub profile. So I would start review right now, few of them. I will review maybe five profile. Then I will be showing you one of the important topic. Then I'll be announcing the winners of today's session. I mean Postman session, which which happened. All right. So meanwhile, you share the resume. I would like to share one more topic to you guys. So if you have not contributed to the Postman challenge, it would be really high time to contribute because we do have more goodies rolling out for you in the next couple of days before the event gets over. So post if you have not sure about what is Postman challenge, this is like one of the certification challenge which we collaborated with Postman and we introduced it. So what you need to do is like you all you need to do is like go through this particular link and complete the challenges. And I made it much more easy. You can see hardly you will take 25 to 27 minutes to complete the particular certification. Upon completion, you will be getting a GSOC badge, 500 points on the leaderboard, and Postman badge and Postman certificate as well. So this is very important, and also you guys get a chance to be a lucky draw winner in the social challenge, which we did for the last two times, and today we will be announcing the second batch winner, and I will be rolling out the next batch today night through the mail, so you can join that particular session as well. All right, so you will be getting these kind of goodies from the Postman as well by completing certification. So yeah, it's not just about the goodies. Whoever completed the certification, I can see around 753 people has been already completed certification. So they will be getting official certification from the Postman, and the Postman is being used in many of the organizations, so it would be really beneficial for you guys. All right, I got some profiles over here, so let me start with reviewing this profile. Okay, I think I need to personally type this profile on the GitHub because I can't somehow copy this. Um, all right, so his profile is GitHub star. Sorry guys, I can't really copy paste it because of the StreamYard. I hope this is your profile. I hope this is your profile right now. So as I told you, you need you don't have a README page with you right now. So what you need to do is like create a new repository, and the repository name should be code. For example, click on new repository, And if you are one of the person who don't have a special readme profile, I would recommend to go copy paste your username, and that would be your special readme profile, and click on add a readme profile and create a repository. Then you will be able to see a profile over here. Then you can continue doing what I'm saying right now. All right, so let's do the second profile review right now. Vivek Vardhan. All right, let me catch that for me. Vivek Vardhan 280. All right. If I have already reviewed this profile, let me know in the comment box. I already reviewed. So Vivek's profile is over here, and I can literally see this particular thing, which is pretty impressive. Yeah. To get followers in the GitHub is pretty hard. You can even see like I only got 67, and meanwhile, if you want to follow me, you can follow me right now. Yeah, being a program manager, even I hardly got a 600 followers. Again, it doesn't matter. So I can see Vivek has got a lot of badges. I appreciate it. I recommend you to achieve additional badge again if you want, if you would like to explore the badge thing. Apart from that, coming back to here, you have a nice headline, which is good. Somehow this animation is kind of distracting. I don't think this might be relevant to you. If you are a graphic designer or something, then I do understand. Maybe try to put a video or a GIF which has a transparent background, so it will be blend with your irrespective of the white background or dark mode, it will blend. And again, you don't have to completely expose the links over here. You can just mention, you can tag the link. You can search how to put a link in readme.md file. So you can put inside, hyperlink it. So that would be much more enhance the readability. I like this one. Then again, as I mentioned you, this can go as like this, as a sub. Then I can see that you also put your GitHub badges, which is pretty impressive. Now, one more highlight which we want to say is like on the GSOC leaderboard. So on the GSOC leaderboard, you could see your dashboard like this, and you can't see the last year leaderboard. So what we thought is like this year we will make this particular leaderboard stay through the lifetime. So you guys can link your badges to your GitHub badge if you're portraying like this, or if you're mentioning in the resume, you can put up the leaderboard link. So it will stay through the lifetime. We are not going to remove that leaderboard anywhere. So the leaderboard will be there for the lifetime. So you can feel free to use the leaderboard link and put it over here. And also, even after GSOC thing is over, you can do a lot of certification. For example, GitHub certification, Postman certification, and all the certification provides you a badges kind of thing. So you can put those badges over here. So that would be a great way to showcase what you have learned and keep track of what all certification you have did. And in terms of coming back to his profile, in terms of I see lot of placards. At one point, this is kind of distracting because I don't need this many information. If there is something which is like a statistics like this, I would be more interested to look into it and understand what you have done. So you can reduce the count, try to adjust the width, maybe like it. If you want to include a lot of badge thing, you can adjust the size and put it into one small space. All right. Now let me go into the third profile. Sharman Jain, I couldn't find you on the GitHub. Am I? Oh, got it. It is spelled wrong. Sharman Jain. Okay. Just give me a minute. Let me make a. All right. So we were over here. Um, so I like his description with some kind of emojis, which is good. He also mentioned like what all programming language is like. And on the left section, he has not joined any of the organization. As I told you, you could potentially join some of the organization. So you can add that particular thing over here. So that's an idea. Like I'm just noting down some of the idea which I got it right now. So organization link. All right. And in terms of tech stack is good. Again, your right side point of view is empty. So in terms of UI, the first people look into the right side. So try to make it utilize the right side, not to make it blank. Try to do some pictures or something which you like it over here, so it doesn't look blank. This is good as he has not multiple tech stack, only this much. This is pretty much good. You don't have to hide it. And again, the same comments goes as before. As you have multiple templates, I believe like this two can be stretched into one particular row, so you can save a lot of space. Again, the right side is empty over here, so you can try work it on. I like these three templates. Maybe try to blend it with the dark mode as well, so there might be some option where you can do some GitHub readme changes to make it dark mode as well. And again, GitHub trophies is there. You can hide it. If I really want to see and explore, I would definitely go and click on this. Yeah, this is something new. I never seen in anybody's profile like this. So you can add that, and I do see the profiles thing over here. So yeah, that's impressive. Even I do have the similar thing, which it sometimes break. It's an old one. All right, let's go to the next one. Mustan Said. So meanwhile, if you have any particular questions, I'm up for taking a question right now. So after this profile review, we will take a session. Oh, I think I already visited his profile before. So Mastan has a pretty much impressive profile. So this is something which we look like. So it's not very congested. I would say that this is one of the best profile I have seen so far. You guys might have noticed in the last three session, I keep on complaining people profile. It's don't take it as a complaining. Just take it as like a suggestion from my side to improve. I believe like his profile is pretty good. This is something like people look at one glance and understand what he is. So from my point of view, he looks like a developer to me, a proper developer. And you can see a lot of things has been confined in one graphic image over here, like an image. So this is pretty much good, like to and he has linked his entire platform link under one name. This is also pretty much good idea where you can also take it. So maybe I will be also taking some of the ideas from his profile as well. So this is very much pretty much precise and concise information. Yeah, he could earn more badges. Of course, he has tried made a pull request, 128 pull request, and earned this badge. So he could earn more badges. I could see he has joined a couple of organization. Feel free to join the organization like this. And yeah, so this is what I was telling you all about. Hide the information which you think that which is not on priority. So his open source contribution, he made it hidden. So now I'm kind of really impressed with this profile. Now I would really like to see this section rather than scrolling a bit more down. So when I look into it, I could see a list of open source contribution. So he could rather link the particular work which he has done, or maybe particular project. That would be much more great, because I don't really like to read. I mean generally people don't like to read and understand. They would like to see and feel what deployment he has been worked on. That would be good. Yeah, like something like this, so I can just literally click and see what exactly that project is. What he, oh, this seems something good. right? Something like that. So now he has put a buy me coffee. If you have already have a sponsor button, I don't really recommend it, but it's up to you. And this is like a nice template. Maybe I will copy this from him after today's session. Yeah, and I would really like to see his contribution thing. And you can see he really started contributing with GSOC, which is pretty good. All right. So that's I finally found a great profile by from here. All right. So let me scroll down and see any questions. I found one comment. Goodies. Yeah, there is a lot of goodies rolling out. So just hold on a minute. So I will just take this one as well. All right, one codes. All right. So this is again a pretty much good profile. Again, try following more people, because when you try to follow more people, what happens is like when you go to, where is this, um, GitHub. When you go to the main GitHub page, you get suggestions from the people you follow, what they are working on or something like that. So yeah, this is a very cool way to understand what the people are currently working on, whether there is a potential collaboration opportunity over there or something like that. So this way you will find a lot of good people. You can literally explore the people's profile like this and see, people really use the readme profile just like that, and you can try see what all organization they are working on, and sometimes that organization might be open, so you can easily try to join that organization. All right, so that's the whole point of having the readme, kind of showing off, and also this is like a pretty good opportunity for you guys to grow and learn from the real developers rather than the self-proclaimed gurus on the LinkedIn and Twitter. All right, so this profile is pretty good. I don't know. I personally don't like the trophy thing because it's looks too colorful for me. This part is good. Again, this language part is good. No need to hide it. I'm not sure. Again, this is kind of distracting. Make the GitHub status thing combined in one single row. So that would be good. A lot of information happening over here. I do recommend. This is good Summer of Girl script, but the thing is like it consumes a lot of space. So I do recommend one which Mustan has did. You can find the code of this particular GSOC badges code over here. You just need to copy it, edit to your README profile, paste it over here. So I'm just pasting the link in the comment section so you guys can utilize it. All right, so I'm just pasting the link. So the same thing which Mustan has used, you can find the link of this particular badge thing, and you can just remove the badge which is not you have received so far in the leaderboard, and you can hyperlink it. So it's easy that way. Now, how many of you are excited for the tool which we have built to improve your GitHub profile? So the thing is, the purpose of the tool is like the last two session, I could see a lot of profile reviews being asked. For example, today's session, I can see a lot of people ask me for the profile review, and I really genuinely want to help those people to review their profile. But again, the time limit in the live session, we can't do it in 1 hour live session. And even if I do ask them to follow me on the LinkedIn, that doesn't work because again, it's like very much congested space. So we thought to how what about making a tool so where people can uh, read the documentation or see other people's profile which is listed, and get use of it. So we made a tool. So how many of you excited for it? I don't see an excitement. Can I say see some yes? Okay, this person has been commenting a lot. So please tell me that I can grab a job without a DSA around. I'm good in development. Sorry, bro. If you are looking into a software development, I don't think without a DSA role you can land into some job, because right now the market is so tough, and going forward of the fear of recession is happening, and you might have seen that stock is selling throughout the globe, and 2.3 trillion market dollar has been wiped out from the US stock exchange, and Japanese stock market is crashed out right now. So looking at next 2 to 3 months is very unpredictable, and even for a long term the Indian market is very competitive. So I don't think any of the company will be hiring you without any DSA knowledge. If you are looking for software engineering roles, if you are looking for data engineering, DSA doesn't matter actually, but you should be at least somewhat good at, very good with SQL and somewhat good with Python. That's what my experience is all about. All right, I can finally see a lot of yeses. All right, let's get started over. All right. So the tool is, again, the tool is under development. Feel free to join the organization and develop with us. So this is a tool. So what we did is like we made a good profile. For example, Mustan's profile is already over here. My profile is over here, and yeah, other people's profile is also over here. So what happened is like we created this tool, so we list the best profile which we receive. So you can also add your profile by clicking on this link. Maybe I'll just share you the link over here. Sorry, I didn't get time to shorten the URL, so I'm just pasting the link over here so you guys can take use of it. So yeah, sorry about that, I didn't get time to shorten the URL. All right. So what happened is like you have a list of amazing profiles over here where you can go and see. For example, if you click one time, oh, all right. So if you click on the profile, you can go to that particular profile and see the profile. And if you already listed your profile, you can see particular count happening on your profile, like that. I think there is some issue with the count. Okay. Yeah, I think count is fine. So yeah, so this is still under construction, so there might be some of the pages which is not completely done, but yeah, so this is like let me know your thoughts how this is for you. So so we will be listing your profile as well, so we'll go through your profile. So once you click on add your profile, we'll go through it, and if it is somewhat better, we will definitely publish it. If it needs some improvement, definitely I will be recording a video what exactly you need to do and some changes which you have to do, something like that. All right, now that's all about this thing. And this page also have add your profile button over here, or I don't recommend to click over here, it's not a direct link. So I will just show you how to add your profile. Click on add profile. So maybe I'll just select one person from here. Oh, maybe we can just take the code Vansh guy. So, example, this is your profile over here. What you need to do is just paste your, just give me a minute. Copy your name, uh, paste your ad profile name. Now, make sure that you have this particular thing. It's called Go Full Page. So this will help you to take a long screenshot. This is like a Chrome extension. So we made that scrolling thing automatically happen because of the long screenshot. All right, so this is like a Chrome page extension which will help to take a long screenshot. So how it works is like, yeah, just in one click it will take a form, and it will either convert into PDF or JPG. Make sure that the form is JPG in the PNG file. You come over here, you upload your upload the photo. Now just mark what category you belongs to. For example, if it is code, just type X. Now that's it. Now once you make a submit new issue, you just need to type at all contributor. Just make sure that the spelling is correct. Contributor, add your username, which is, this is your username, or you can take it from here as well. At your username for review. Make sure that the all contributors name is correct. Click on comment button. That's it. So the all contributor bot will automatically make a PR for you. And if you are, if your profile is really good, it will generate a PR for you guys right now. So yeah, it already generated a PR. So I will just review the PR as this person is already, oh, sorry, it's not my name. Just assign them GSOC level 3 and merge it. So now once I merge it, you will be able to see the particular PR on the profile. Now, if you would like to join the organization and contribute, feel free to come and help us. That would be really great. Share you the link over here. All right. So that's the whole point of doing this particular tool. Again, we will push this particular tool into the GSOC. As you can see, the view thing is not properly working, so we gotta fix that. Okay, so once code profile is not added properly, we will look into it. What's the issue over here? All right. All right. So that's the thing. So there is something broken. I just need to look into it. Why the image didn't appear? But again, so this is the main concept. You just go and explore it. And if you want to learn about GitHub, there is like a series of blogs which we have created to learn about GitHub and get started with. And if you are really professional, you can go and take the professional certification from the GitHub. It's up to you. Then there is like a GitHub badge where this is like a one place. You might have noticed the badge which this kind of particular person has. So this will give you complete information about all the current available badges and how you can earn it. So again, I will be uploading a YouTube video tutorials, and once all the changes has been done, we will push the entire repository to GSOC. All right, so that's the basic concept about having this particular page. And on the event page, you can see the last couple of sessions happened on the GSOC. All right. And make sure that this is the button to add your profile. I'm not sharing the link because that's too big. That's why I'm not able to share the link. So you can always go and utilize this particular link to join the organization and or add your profiles over here. So that would be really grateful. Now, let's get back to two more profile reviews. Then I would like to share you one more exciting news with you guys. All right. So make sure that the GitHub review challenge is already over. Maybe I'll just refresh the screen. Okay. I will be announce the winner in 2 minutes. So maybe I will just review one more profile. Oh, sorry. Let me get one more profile. Can you guys comment it down few of the profile which you want to review? And there is one called Arunima Chintu. I hope I spelled it properly. Oh, yeah, this seems pretty good. I like this one. But yeah, I don't like this one because it's kind of consumed all your space over here and pushed all your details to down. And there is something happening over here. I'm not sure what's happening. You can remove it. Badges is good. I would recommend you to join some organization. Also, you can apply for GitHub sponsorship. You can just search GitHub sponsor, just apply with your LinkedIn account. That would be so great. Now, coming back to your profile, yeah, this section is getting pretty much good. Um, Again, you have a lot of templates over here, so I don't think that's is necessary. You can reduce the width size. You can refer to my GitHub profile how I reduce the width. It's basically like the normal HTML table code, tr and td. So you can adjust the height and width over here. In terms of contribution, you can enable the contribution graph. So the contribution graph can be enabled somewhere over here. You have the contribution setting. You can click on the activity overview, which will turn on the graph thing. So from looking at the graph, we can get an idea like what exactly you're doing, like only commits or only code reviews or something like that. All right. I like this particular ID. I smoke data. All right. This kind of gives me anxiety, but it's good to watch. So I see that neural networks over here, which is good, gives an idea about what exactly you are looking into or doing. This one is also something unique, which I have never seen in other profiles. So this is what I was talking about. It's okay to use the templates, the graph thing, but make it sure that you make it organized and adjust the size and width. And this person has put everything under like this, which is pretty much good and a pretty much simple profile. So which I would definitely get more time to explore his contribution part. So this is what I was talking about. Make the particular readme page in half scrolling done, so I can come down and explore what you have really contributed on the GitHub. So I can see he has been contributed to Recode Hive as well, which is good. Which is one of my repository. All right. Now let's go back and announce the winner for today's session. I mean Postman challenge. So I will be announcing the winner through the newsletters as well, as I promised that I will be giving the thing today. So here is the list of people who won the thing. You can find your names if you are here. So these people are eligible for the Postman goodies. Again, don't worry if you have not yet selected. We have a lot of swags with us. So we will be launching one more session tomorrow. So try to join in and grab your goodies. You can use your same LinkedIn post if you want to try your luck again. So don't worry about that. Now, coming back to the giveaway goodies winners, should I announce this right now? Can I get a yes or no in the comment box? Should I announce the GitHub? All right. Okay, I can see some yeses over here. Okay, you can't contribute to this again because the form is closed right now. Because form is closed because we announced the winners, right? There is one more question. Is there any bot to generate the README page? There might be, but I don't really recommend a bot to do that because, as I mentioned, you give some personal touch because that's a page where you see every time when you open the GitHub, right? Give some personal touch because you are using it as for your personal branding. So it's basically like building your LinkedIn profile. So it should be pretty much concise information. So I don't really recommend a bot to do the task. Maybe there might be some bot to do some particular thing, but not for the entire page. Yeah. So, is there any difference between social media winner and student expert winner of Postman API? Yeah, but the goodies which you get will be different because the one goodies which we announced today, the winners, they will be getting the expert goodies, which is like a pretty much expensive than the social giveaway goodies. All right. Awesome. All right. So I'm not taking too much time. So I'll just ready to award winner. Oh, just give me some guys. It's still loading for me. Sorry about that. I just clicked announce the winner button on the tool, and my entire system got hanged. So I'll be refreshing my screen right now, and I will be sharing the link over here. So this is the link of the winner page. So as you can see, there are 100 winners, and to so this is wrong. There will be 100 winners. So I opted for 100. So you can find your particular email ID over that particular link for the giveaway winners. And at the end of the session, I'll be sending you the links to claim the XYZ coupon code and the 25 resume thing as well. All right, so let's jump into one more review session. Then I'll be heading into. Oh, just sorry, that's not a. Okay, let me go up and find some GitHub profile. So I'll do one more review, then we will be jumping into one more task, which is gonna be a game changer for you guys. So I got a profile over here. So this would be the last profile which we will be reviewing. Ratnesh Maurya. All right, so this seems like pretty much organized, then very simple. Yeah, I kind of pretty much like this profile. He has created some DP thing which is pretty impressive. I think guys can also do the similar thing. Reach out to this person. Um, Pretty much concise and small information, which is something we look for. Again, if I want to explore a text tag, which you can see how my cursor is moving around, so I can opt out and see this, and I can see from his contribution that he's been a consistent developer irrespective of gsoc is happening or not. So keep this thing, try to find lot of profiles like this and keep contributing. That would be amazing. So that would be my suggestion. If you would like to add something, there are some tools which you can go and explore. For example, the okay, so if you can just go over here. So we have listed few of the tools summary, and again this tool will be going into this particular page over here, tools page, which is not created yet. So there are different kind of tools which is available. You can go and explore it, and we have listed more tools over here. And feel free to come and add more uh, work with us and improve the particular website if you're good at web development. That I would be really appreciating that. So that's all about the things related to GitHub I want to share. Not everything. I will take another 10 more minutes of your time to explain you about some program. So how many of you heard about GitHub Canvas, GitHub Student Developer Pack? So if you go to the page GitHub Student Developer Pack, you will end up in this particular page. So there is one person asked me like, what is the point of point is required? What point is required for GSOC certification? I read it something like, what's the point of getting a GSOC certification? So it's a 60-point limit. So again, right now, if you go into a lot of profiles, you can see you really don't need to contribute a lot of repository to get 60 points. You can just simply get the Postman certification and get all these badges and 500 points. So that would be a easy way that you can get right now, because there is only 3 days for the program to get over. So my suggestion would be that get a Postman certification and get all the badges. So at the end of the program, you do have a GSO certification. You do have a good level in the leaderboard. You have a Postman certification. You have a Postman goodies as well with you, and GSO goodies. So that's pretty amazing, right? All right. So where were we? Okay. So we were all about here. I would like to introduce you to Student Developer Pack by GitHub. So if you are a student, click on I am student button over here. Maybe it's better I will be sharing the link over here for you guys. Members, top 50 members will get goodies and certification as well. And top 50 project admin will be getting certification as well as for GSOC goodies as well. All right. So coming back to the student developer pack, you click on I am a student button, click on student. You can see I have requested back in 2024, 21, and mine was successful. And what here they will be asking you is like you have to type your university name, or there will be a list of school from the list. So you have to find the school, your university name from there. Click on continue. On the next button, they will be asking you some proof of your academic status. You need to provide some proof like a student ID card or your academic sheet or something. I submitted my academic sheet. Once you upload the photo, click on process my application. So it will take around 1 week or 4 to 5 days max. So once it approved, you will be eligible for around $1,000 worth of GitHub educational benefits. So I don't know where I can see the current student developer partner offers. I think I need to have that particular ID to see. Let me check. GitHub Student Developer Pack 2024. I think my access got expired. So maybe you guys can try and explore what are the current GitHub Student Developer Pack. I think it should be somewhere over there. I have seen last week. So verify. And you will get also GitHub Pro for free for 1 year. So that's pretty something amazing. Okay, they about GitHub student. Okay, I can't show you any of the offers right now. So it's basically like once you get an access, you will also get an access to the global campuses and all the stuffs. So yep, this person has elaborated how it looks like. So this is how once you get accepted, once you process your application, it would how it is look like. And you do get a lot of amazing opportunity from GitHub, like for example free access to the data camp, some of the software's uh, subscription is free, so you can host free domains, something like that. So explore this particular part. And I would also like to ask you, yeah, GitHub Pros requires student status, right? Every even the GitHub developer pack benefits, it needs to be approved by the GitHub. Again, it has to be approved by the GitHub. So as a GSOC team, we can't do anything about it. So I'm just telling you, as you've been working on the GitHub, you would be much eligible for getting this. So that's why I'm just telling you this. I didn't get that particular question, but yeah. So I can see there's already have a pack. So That's good. I hope they had amazing membership offers this year. All right. So coming back to this, I would like to ask you one more question. How have you been heard about GitHub Campus Expert? Have you heard about GitHub Campus Expert? For example, if you look into my profile on the GitHub, okay, there is like a lot of tab. My system will get hung again, so I'll just close everything. All right. So have you been into heard about GitHub Campus Expert? I can see yes, no, yes, no. All right. Okay, that's good. So I would be sharing new information with you guys today, right? All right. Just give me a minute. There is some post I made it today, so I would like to explore it. Oh, my system is so damn slow today. That didn't happen. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, let me see what happened to the post. All right, just give me a minute. So I'll just share you one thing right now. Just hold on a minute. If you have any questions, you can just type it on the comment box regarding the GitHub Campus Expert because I had one document, so I was looking for the same. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. I will just look into. So there is a question like what is it and who can participate? So any students can participate. So the first process would be something like apply for the student developer pack. So they will be verifying you being a part of any of the organization, any of the university. And once they verify that you've been a student, then you can apply for the program. I just made a details. Just give me a minute. I'll be sharing you right now. So let me see what's another comment. Yep, the applications are open right now. So don't just go and apply for the application because from a previous campus expert, I would say, oh, my screen is blank for some reason. Sorry about that. So where was I? Okay, I was on the GitHub Campus Expert. So don't just go and apply for the GitHub Campus Expert because as a previous campus expert who got selected, and I've been seeing the selection process. The selection process are really harder. So you gotta apply. You have to curate your document as much. In align with what GitHub team is looking for. To all right. Just give me one more minute. I'm just looking at a few more things. Now, okay. So I don't see any other comments over here. So as you can see, GitHub Campus Expert is like a program which is run by GitHub. So being a campus expert, your roles will be something like leading campus expert community throughout the university and something like that. So just 1 minute. Why my post is not working? All right. So I just okay. So being a campus expert, you will be working on a particular campus or your campus community or your community, and basically the idea is like you will be learning more about GitHub. So there will be a training for the first 6 months when you get selected, and then in the 6 months you will be like really pro on GitHub. So you know how to do, what to do, and what exactly to be uh, done on the campus expert program. Oh, just 1 minute. Duplicated. So that's all about the program. And being a campus expert, it comes with a lot of goodies. For example, there is like a Google page where there was like a lot of image. Sorry guys, my system is kind of lagging because of, there's like a hundreds of tab opened here and there. So yeah, sorry about that. So GitHub campus expert, if you search on the Google, you will be able to see a lot of images of the goodies which you receive as a campus ambassador. So this is like the amount of goodies which you receive with customized goodies, which is like your name, your GitHub profile name on the t-shirt, on your bags and everywhere. So this is some amazing opportunity for you guys to, you know, explore. Now what I will be doing is like, so my idea is like, you guys come and learn how exactly you need to be applied for it, because as I told you, the application process is like very much tough, and you have to submit this particular application by August 10th. So I'm creating a live session tomorrow, but I don't want to make it publicly available. I just only want to make it only inside the GSOC thing. So that would be like a unlisted YouTube live video only for the people who register. So for the registering, I just shared you my LinkedIn DM over here. It's kind of doing very slow right now because we have already exceeded nearly 1 hour of this live session. So I don't want you guys, people, to do and learn another topic in this session. So I'm just pushing this for the tomorrow's live session. So if you are really interested, just let me know in the comments session, so I can just send you a direct invite link for tomorrow's session. And again, yeah, I will make sure that I do highlight how the hiring process is happening, and what you will be doing as a GitHub campus expert, and how this will be really beneficial for your career. And as a GitHub campus expert, what they offer you is like, they do offer you monetary support for any of the event which you are planning. So that's amazing. That's pretty impressive. Like if you want to organize an event on GitHub, you all need to do is like raise a sponsorship amount to the GitHub team, so they will be approving it, and you will be getting the GitHub merchandise coupon as well. If you click on and search about GitHub merchandise, you will be getting at least 5 to 10 coupons per event for these things, and free stickers for every event which you host. So yeah, this is the way that from a contributor like a GSO program, you explore further and you become a community leader, and you become a project program manager or project manager, whatever it is. So I'm just opening you a wider learning path where you can explore it. I'm not sure whether I can share this in the GSO platform, but yeah, I'm just doing it for your betterment. Explore this particular opportunity, don't miss out this, because this is like an amazing opportunity where you can do it. and only a student can participate in it. You should be having at least one more year to graduate. You can't apply from the fourth year last year, they won't accept it. So if you are first, second, or third year, or any of the post graduation, or in a school or university, you can apply for it. So yeah, let me know in the comment box if you are really interested. So I will be sharing you the direct link, or maybe I will drop inside newsletter with the link. So it's, I just want to make it close because I will be sharing some confidential information which the GitHub team won't like it. So that's why I just making it a private, unlisted YouTube live streaming tomorrow. So make sure that you join and explore the GitHub thing. And for the people who want to explore more, you can add your profile into the website and explore more over here, or come join with us and build the particular tool which can potentially help a lot of newbies. So by saying that, thanks for joining the live session today. I'll be sending you the goodies after the live session, and make sure that you let me know whether you are interested to join over here, and keep improving your GitHub profiles. So by the next time, I can review few more of your GitHub profiles, or that would be great option. Or I also allow you to do one more thing. If you go to the blog over here and scroll a bit down, you can see a GitHub profile review session over here. All you need to do is like click over here. You can have a free profile review session if I miss few of your profiles. So what you need to do is like go to the blog section over here and scroll down a bit. Then you will get this pop-up to review the profile. I missed to say this. So this is like for free. So I will be reviewing your profile. I can see a lot of people has been commented today to review their profile. And once you have done get the reviews done, change your profile and you can add your profile over here. So, saying that, thanks all of you guys for joining today's event, and I hope you guys got a lot of information regarding GitHub Campus Expert, GitHub Student Developer Pack, and the tool which we have developed, how to add that, and yeah, and if you are a winner of the two of the session which we announced, congratulations. And if you are not the winner, we have amazing couple of giveaways coming up from Postman and GSoak, and from my side as well. So that's a lot of giveaways. So I know, try to be engaged in the last 2 days, and we will be announcing the winner on August 10th, 7 p.m. IST. I will be scheduling a new YouTube live event for that, and all your goodies will be start rolling out after the winners, after August 10th. So don't worry about it. We will start a discussion forum to track your goodies and have a discussion on that as well as soon. All right. Thank you for joining and have a good night. Bye.